right, everybody. Oh, happy day. Are you an insurance agent that gets decimated by the decimal points? I'm telling you, do not let the decimal points decimate you or decrease your confidence and your certainty when selling insurance. But this happens a lot. I'm going to dive into 3 tips that will help you as an insurance agent build up more confidence, more certainty, more value, more importantly, to help you close more business when it comes to the bigger decimal point cases. All right, but before I get going and I dive into this with you, JasonFinalExpense.com. I'm so blessed to partner with some of the most amazing agents across this nation to do things like Medicare insurance and life insurance face-to-face, and more importantly, in the telespace. All right, it's what we do. If you need help, reach out. My national insurance agency will help you in any way I can. But when you first start out, or maybe you've been in insurance for a while, it's very easy to get intimidated by a decimal point. I know, right? It's just a decimal point, but it can intimidate us and even debilitate us so that we can't deliver the value that we want to. We can't get the close sometimes because we lose perspective of a couple things, and I'm going to really dive into this with you to help you deliver more value, meet more needs, and not lose the air or the gas in the tank, okay? The first thing I want to really focus on is you must deliver value, okay? If the price is way up here, you need to bring way more value. You got to elevate value higher. Take your time. Value must always exceed what the price is, all right? Value must always exceed what the price is. So you must determine, okay, you must determine what does your client need. You've got to be a very astute listener. You've got to be listening. You've got to be like a good detective. You've got to write down what they want from you. Yes, what they want from you. They may not have spoken it yet, but you've got to take good notes and figure out like a detective what that may be. Okay, it's not about you. This is about your consumer. You must make a determination about what's going on, all right? Just like the old Sherlock Holmes, okay? You got to be ready to go. So be prepared to determine what they need. Take your time, take your time, take your time, okay? Make a determination that's strong. Make a determination that's founded on what they want, what they wish, what they desire. Find out what they want from you, or maybe what they want to accomplish, period. All right? Don't even be talking product. No, not yet. You need to find out what they want, period. All right? Find out what they want. Determine that need. Determine the need and determine the level of need so that you will not be decimated by the decimal points. A lot of times these decimal points happens and we're like, oh boy. Okay, and we take shortcuts. No. Okay? You must focus on what they need. And then number 2, you must absolutely deliver the value proposition. The value proposition. Get ready to deliver. Deliver the goods, okay? Do not fail to deliver the value proposition. What do I mean by deliver the value proposition in my point number 2? So what? So what this product is going to do for you. So what? Okay? So what is what you need to be thinking. You determined what they need, what they wish, what they want, they desire. Now, deliver value based on so what. So what this will do for you, Mrs. Johnson, is XYZ, which is what they truthfully needed in the first place. Deliver value to them. You must be on your game. You must be on the same plane that they are. You must deliver the value proposition based on what they want, not you just getting a big check. All right, the commission breath has to go away. Needs don't change. Doesn't matter if it's a small need or a monster need. I've sold policies as small as $12 a month. Okay, I've sold policies over $30,000 of annualized premium in a year, a single policy. I'm telling you, the baseline here is not the decimal points that get scary. What you have to do is never take shortcuts. Point number 3, never take shortcuts. Do not take shortcuts. You must earn the right. You must earn the right to do business with them because you've determined what they need. You have delivered the value of what you're going to bring to them, not what they're giving to you. Determine the value proposition of what you are going to do for them through your product, your offering, and more importantly, your solution. Your care will take you far in this area. Determine what they need with all confidence, but with all compassion and care. Deliver the goods, deliver value to them. So what? Think about this always. So what? So what am I doing for them? So what? Think about it that way. And then you can even speak it. So Mrs. Johnson, what this product is going to do for you is X, Y, Z, which is what they want. If it fits, put the shoe on the right foot, deliver the value to them strong. If the price is way up here, your value better exceed price. Bring it, okay? Deliver the goods. Don't stutter. Don't stop. Don't, okay, get nervous. It's okay. If you slow down, take a deep breath. If you just slow down and deliver value to them. Quit worrying about the commission. Focus on delivering value. You're going to be a confident agent because you're doing the right thing the right way, okay? You've determined exactly what they need. You've delivered the value to them. So what this does for them is it betters them. It makes their families better. It guards them. It does all these crazy good things that they truly want. And now you're in a place where you didn't take shortcuts because you lacked confidence. You know and you're confident because you've done the work. You've done the time. You've made the connection. You have determined that this product is going to help them. Now you're giving them what they want. Now, don't take shortcuts. Don't take shortcuts. You've earned the right. You've earned the right now to serve them. You've earned the right to serve them. Only when you've determined what they need, you've delivered the value of what it's going to do for them, not you. Now you're in a position where it's not anything more, it's nothing less, nothing greater than a decimal point. It doesn't matter. It's all smoke and mirrors. It's the same value. It doesn't matter if it's $28,000 a year, $40,000 a year of premium, or you're bringing $40,000 of value to them based on what they want you to accomplish. If it's a small policy, let me tell you, those are just as hard, if not harder to sell than the monster cases. Because to them, that $14 a month, $15 a month may be everything. If they're only a $600 a month, $800 a month sweet client prospect that needs you, okay? When someone's got tons and tons of money, millions and millions of dollars, it's easy to get intimidated, but their ratio of that money is like no big deal, okay? It's like throwing a toothpick down the Grand Canyon compared to somebody that doesn't have much money. It takes sometimes more sales skills at times to get a $15 or $30 a month premium because the percentage of their assets are larger. So when you've earned the right to do business, you're now ready because you did not take shortcuts in the process. You cannot take shortcuts in the process. Big or small doesn't matter, okay? If it's a small sale or a big sale, shortcuts, they'll slap you, I promise you, okay? Don't lose confidence, don't lose hope or heart, or more importantly, certainty. You know you're doing the right thing. When you know you're doing the right thing for them, now you can assume the business with confidence and care. You're not going to think about the sale with anything more than through the lenses of this is in the client's best interest. I know it is. We've talked about it. So what this is going to do for them is X, Y, Z. The price is what the price is. Don't apologize for what the price is. Don't wince because your checkbook can't afford 28 grand a year in premium, but they can, like no big deal. Don't wince at this. You've got to be confident because you've earned the right to be the solution maker, the problem solver, and you're ready. Never look at the world through the eyes of, okay, the checkbook that you have. You need to look through the eyes of the checkbook that they possess, because if it's no big deal to them, it should be no big deal to you, even though you may choke on a fork. Okay, if you had to write a check for 28 grand, you'd be like, oh no, I could never do that. So you get palpitations and nervous and sweating. No, deliver more value, okay? Whatever the price is, deliver more value. It's just a decimal point. Don't let it decimate you. Be courageous. Be courageous and confident because you did the right thing for the consumer. And then once you lean forward and you realize sales are sales, it's just finding out what they need, delivering value for what they want. Help them make that problem go away, whatever that looks like. It could be $1 million sale. It could be a $28,000, $30,000, $40,000 premium sale. It doesn't matter. Assume the business. Focus on being the solution, not a sale. You need to focus on being the solution, not a sale. A sale will happen as a result of you knowing how to solve their problem based on what they want. Just because you have a trouble, okay, with your checkbook doesn't mean your clients do. So never assume that someone can't afford something if they haven't told you otherwise. So you'll get those big sales. Don't get nervous. You'll be fine. But focus forward, everybody, with compassion. Focus forward on delivering massive, massive value to them. You will close more business. The decimal points will no longer make you quiver, okay? It's going to make you into a position where you're confident. You now know what you need to do. Follow the proven path. Follow the right way, and you will sell more confidently, okay, and close more needs, and no longer will you be in a position where decimal points make you go, oh no, you can do this. You got this. Bring more value than what the price is, all right? I hope this helps you. I hope this video finds you well. Have an amazing day. Have a better day tomorrow, and I know you're going to be successful. Stick and stay. This industry needs you. I appreciate you watching. Thanks, you guys.